To answer this question, we're going to use long division. When we set up our long division, we're going to notice in our dividend, in standard form, we're missing a term. There is no y term between the squared and the constant. So we are going to use a placeholder of 0y as we set up this problem. So if you are ever missing terms in your divisor or your dividend, assign them a value of 0 so that everything is in the right place. 2y minus 1 is our divisor, and our dividend is 8y cubed minus 12y squared plus 0y, there's our placeholder, plus 9. As we do our division, again, we're going to look at the first term of the divisor and the dividend and ask what we need to multiply to make those match. What do we multiply by 2y to get 8y cubed? That answer is 4y squared. We multiply that by both parts of our divisor. We get 8y cubed minus 4y squared. And then we use parentheses to subtract both terms. So as a reminder, both signs will change. 8y cubed minus 8y is 0. Negative 12y squared plus 4y squared gives us negative 8y squared. And we're going to drop down the 0y. What multiplied by 2y gives us negative 8y squared? That would be negative 4y. We multiply negative 4y by both parts of the divisor. Negative 8y squared plus 4y. And again, we use parentheses to subtract both terms. Both terms change sign. Negative 8y squared plus 8y squared is nothing. 0y minus 4y would leave us with negative 4y. We're going to drop down that positive 9. What do we need to multiply by 2y to get negative 4y? The answer there is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2y minus 1 gives us negative 4y plus 2. And again, we're going to use parentheses and subtract. Both terms will change sign. Negative 4y plus 4y leaves us nothing there. 9 minus 2 leaves us with 7. That is our remainder. So when we write our quotient, our answer, we would write 4y squared minus 4y minus 2 plus our remainder, which is 7. It also needs to be divided by our divisor. So that little part at the end is our remainder. And because we do have a remainder, we can say no. 2y minus 1 is not a factor. When you get a remainder, make sure that you write it above the divisor.